Hi, welcome. Let's discuss about the problems of time and work, or you can say pipe and cisterns, or you can say this kind of things used in the pipes and cisterns. While discussing this topic or on discussion, use three methods. One, like you can say one day work, or you can say unitary method, or I- or I can say as a total work. We'll discuss both the methods and we'll try to solve the problem by using both the methods. Both methods are essential and according to the problem and the condition of the problem, use the method whichever suitable suits us at that time. For example, let's take the example. A can do a piece of work in 10 days. A can do a piece of work in 10 days. B can do a piece of work in 15 days. Now calculate how long it will take A plus B to do the work. Means A can do the work in 10 days, B can do the work in 15 days, and how long A plus B can require to do the work. Now, again, it's a simple approach. A can do the work in 10 days. It means in one day, it means in one day work, or you can say one day work, or work done in a one day, or one day work is 1 by 10. It means 1/10 of the work is done in the one day. Similarly, for the B, one day work is 1 upon 50. Right? Now, in one day, it does 1 by 10th of the work. In one day, it does 1 by 50. If I combine the A plus B, right? A plus B work simultaneously, then one day work would be summation of 1 by 10 plus 1 upon 15. Now, here we can take the LCM. The LCM is 30, but will not it's but we'll just take the product here 10 into 15. I'll tell you if I have done this thing 10 into 15, then 10 plus 15. The things are same, and I'll tell you why I have done in this way instead of taking LCM. 10 plus 15 upon 10 50 is 25 upon 150, or that is 1 by. Now understand the problem. A plus B combined. A plus B combined doing the work in combined to the 1 by 6 of the work in one day. Right? So in one day it does 1 by 6 of the work. Therefore one work will be done in 6 days. Therefore the A plus B combinedly if work together the work will be finished in 6 days. So now let me tell you why I've said that do not take the LCM and directly cross multiply. See here. If I say TA plus B time taken by A plus B is 10 plus 15. TA plus B here is 6 days. It's a reciprocal of this quantity, right? Now it's reciprocal, then TA plus B is 10 into 15 upon 10 plus 15, right? Now 10 is what? TA, TB into upon TA. So this is the shortcut way to solve the problems. If we have the two persons working together, we can say the harmonic mean or half of the harmonic mean of T and TB upon TA plus TB is the work done together. So we can solve the problem by this method. Or this is the second. Now second way, total work done method or total work method. Again, same problem. A can do the piece of work in 10 days. B can do the piece of work in 15 days. Right? Now let's assume the total work. Now this is the work method. Let me assume total work. Now by assumption the total work, we usually take the LCM of 10 and 15, or the total work which completely divide 10 as well as 15 and gives the integer. We don't require any fraction, that will again complicate the process. So generally we take the LCM or any number which can be easily divisible by 10 and 15 to get the integer. So LCM of 10 and 15 here is 30. I assume the total work is 30 units. Right? So total work is 30 units. It completed in the 9 days. So A, one day, in one day it will finish 30 upon 10, that is 3 units. Similarly B takes one day work, it's 30 upon 15, that is 2 units. It means B do 2 units of work in a day and A does 3 units of work in a day. Now combine A plus B, T A plus B. One day work would be 3 plus 2, that is 5 units. So A and B combinedly work their 5 units in a day. So number of days required to finish how much work? We assume the 30 units, right? We assume the 30 units here. 30 units of work will be done in 30 upon total work done in 1 day is 5 units, that is 6 days. The answer is right. Is another way to solve the problem, right? Now, next it can be asked, A can do the piece of work again say 10 days. B is unknown quantity and A plus B combined can do the work in 6 days. Now, how we solve this method? First method was 1 day work. So here we can easily say the 1 day work of A is 1 upon 10. Let's assume x days here. This is 1 plus x equal to 1 upon 6, right? Now 1 upon x is 1 upon 6 minus 1 upon 10, which is 1 upon 15. Therefore x is, this is the first method, right? Second method was the formula. You know that TA plus B was TA into TB upon TA plus TB, that is 10 into x upon 10 plus x, which is equal to 6. On solving, again we get x equal to 15. Now the third way, total work method, A has 10 days, B was unknown quantity, and A plus B 6 days. Now again by the work done, now LCM of 10 and 6 is 30. Now total work, let's say be 30 units, right? So total work is 30 units. 1 day work of A is 30 by 10, that is 3 units. 1 day work of A plus B combined is 30 upon 6, that is 5 units. Therefore 1 day work of B alone is 5 units, 3 units, that is 5 minus 3, 2 units. Therefore number of days required 30 units of work. 1 day work is 2 units, that is 30 upon 2, answer is 15. Hence the third method, right? Now the problem can be asked in another way also. We'll discuss the other way. A can do the piece of work in 10 days. B can do the piece of work in 20 days, right? Now A and B work started together. A and B has started doing work together for the 2 days, and then A left the job. A and B worked together for the 2 days, and then A left the job, and B alone finished the work. Now calculate time required by the B to finish the work. I hope you understand the problems. Let me again tell you, A can do a piece of work in 10 days, total piece of work in 10 days. B can alone do the work in 20 days. Now if A and B started the work and after the 2 days A left the work, calculate the time taken by B to finish the work after that. So we assume let this be x days. This be x days. Now by the first method, that is unitary method or 1 day work method. In 1 day, A can do the piece of work is 1 by 10, right? B can do the piece of work is 1 day 1 upon 20, right? In this process, they together work for 2 days. Therefore, in 2 days, total work finish was by A was 2 upon 10, by B was 2 upon 20, right? And the left, B was alone working for the x days, that is x upon 20, right? Which is equal to total work done is 1. Now this can be calculated easily, right? 2 upon 10 plus 2 upon 20 plus x upon 20 is 1. That is 4 plus 2 6 plus x is equal to 20 and x equal to 4. Therefore x require 14 more days to finish the, right? Now other method, that is work done method. A and B started together for the 2 days, then A left the job and B working for the x days. Now we have to calculate the x. Now the work done method, let's A has done work in 10 days, B alone can work in 20 days, sorry. So I assume the work total work is LCM of 10 and 20, that is 20 units, right? In 1 day, A can work 20 upon 10, that is 2 units, and in 1 day, B can work 20 upon 20, that is 1 unit, right? So for the 2 days, the work done by A and B together is work done is 3 units. For 2 days, that is for the 2 days. For the 2 days, A and B working together, therefore they have finished the work 2 plus 1, that is 3. For the 1 day and for 2 days, it's just 6 units, right? Now total work is 20 units. I left with the 6. 20 minus 6, I left with the 14 units, right? 6 units, total work is 20 units, that is 14 minus 6 is 20 minus 6 is 14 units. Now number of days required done the 14 units work. For the B work 1 unit per day, so 14 units require 14 days. Hence in both the case the answer is same. So